Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Yes, so I hope you all are fine. Yes, yes. So today we are going to discuss some questions from new voices. Okay, because your FA4 exam is going to start, isn't it? So today we are going to discuss some questions from new voices. Okay, so we are having two lessons for FA4, isn't it? In new voices. What are the chapters? The Robin and the Beeble's Kitchdi. So these two lessons we are having for FA4 exam. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some questions. So you will be having all multiple choice questions in your online exam, isn't it? So like that, today also we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions from new voices. Okay, from those two lessons. Okay, children. So are you all ready to answer the questions? Yes. 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 So shall we move? Yes. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First question. Give the meaning of turn up. Give the meaning of turn up. So what is the meaning of turn up? The options are be present, be absent. So what is the meaning of turn up? Any guesses? Give the meaning of turn up. So turn up means be present. Okay. Turn up means be present. Okay, children. Second question. Give the correct opposite of stand. Give the correct opposite. Okay, so read the question well. Okay. Give the correct opposite of stand. The options are run, walk, sit. So what is the opposite of stand? Stand, sit, isn't it? So the opposite of stand is sit. Okay. Give the correct opposite of stand. Correct answer is sit. Okay. Third question. Give meaning of might. Give meaning of might. The options are strength, weak, lazy. Strength, weak, lazy. So what is the meaning of might? Might means strength. Okay. Might means strength. So the correct answer is strength. Okay. Give meaning of might. Answer is strength. Okay, children. Fourth question. Give rhyming word for song. So you are going to choose the rhyming word. Okay, rhyming word for song. The options are long, bring, hang. Long, bring, hang. Okay, so what is the rhyming word for song? Long, isn't it? Song, long. So the rhyming word for song is long. Okay, so the correct answer is long. Okay, children. Fifth question. Give rhyming word for so. Give rhyming word for so. The options are soon, seem, go. Soon, seem, go. So what is the rhyming word for so? So, go. So, go. So the correct answer is go. Okay. Sixth question. Birbal came to the court along with the dash. Birbal came to the court along with the dash. The options are rich man, poor man, rich woman. Options are rich man, poor man, rich woman. So which one is correct answer? Birbal came to the court along with the poor man, isn't it? To do a task, isn't it? Given by the Emperor Akbar, isn't it? So Birbal came to the court along with the poor man. Okay? Birbal came to the court along with the poor man, isn't it? To do a task, difficult task, isn't it? Given by Emperor Akbar. Okay. Seventh question. Birbal did not come to the court for dash days. Birbal did not come to the court for dash days. Options are 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So how many days he did not come to the court? So Birbal did not come to the court for 5 days. Birbal did not come to the court for 5 days. Okay. So if you read the lesson, if you read the lesson already, then you will be knowing all these answers. Okay. Eighth question. The robin teaches us to be dash in all situation. The robin teaches us to be dash in all situation. Options are happy, sad, late. Happy, sad, late. So the robin teaches us to be dash in all situation. Happy, isn't it? So the robin teaches us to be happy in all situation, isn't it? Because he was enjoying all the seasons, isn't it? So he teaches us to be happy in all situation. Okay. Ninth question. The robin says that the winter passes soon if we dash. The robin says that the winter passes soon if we dash. The options are laugh, play, sing. So what he says, what he want to do? So he says that if we sing all through this winter season, it will go soon, isn't it? So the correct option is sing. Okay. The robin says that the winter passes soon if we sing. Okay. The next one. Who said to whom? Okay. Who said to whom? So what is the question? Tell me, O man, how could you bear the cold all through the night? Tell me, O man, how could you bear the cold all through the night? So, who said this in Birbal's Khichdi? See, let's see the options, okay? Options are: the emperor asked his queen. Second one is: the emperor asked the poor man. Third one: the emperor asked Birbal. So who said this? So emperor said this, isn't it? So to whom he said? To the poor man, isn't it? So the emperor asked the poor man, tell me, O man, how could you bear the cold all through the night? Okay? Because the poor man accepted his task, isn't it? And he went to that cold water and he stood in the water, isn't it? Then only the emperor asked the poor man, tell me, O man, how could you bear the cold all through the night? Okay, so the correct answer is the emperor asked the poor man. Okay, 11th question. Give the correct past tense of cook. Give the correct past tense of cook. Options are cooking, cooks, cooked. So which one is the correct answer? What is the past tense of cook? So the past tense of cook is cooked. Past tense of cook is cooked. Okay, so the correct answer is cooked. Okay, 12th question. Birbal tried to buy khichdi. Is it true? Birbal tried to buy khichdi. Say true or false. No, isn't it? So the answer is false. Birbal tried to buy khichdi. No, isn't it? So the answer is false. Okay. The next one, 13th one. How was the water in the pond? How was the water in the pond? Hot, warm, cold. So in the lesson Birbal's Khichdi, how was the water in the pond? It was very, very cold, isn't it? So the correct answer is cold. Okay. How was the water in the pond? Answer is cold. Okay. The next one, 14th question. What was the name of the emperor? What was the name of the emperor in Birbal's Khichdi lesson? So let's see the options, okay? Options are Ashoka, Akbar, Chandragupta Maurya. So who was the emperor? What was the name of the emperor? Akbar, isn't it? The emperor Akbar. So the correct answer is Akbar. Okay. The last question. What is the robin thankful for in autumn? What is the robin thankful for in autumn? Options are leaves, fruits, trees. So what is the robin thankful for in autumn season? So he is thankful for fruits, isn't it? So even after all the leaves are fall down, we are having fruits to eat, Like that the robin says, isn't it? So the robin is thankful for fruits in autumn. Okay, so the correct answer is fruits. Okay, children, so these are all the some of the questions I have taken from New Voices. Okay, so read the lesson again and again. Okay, and go through the grammar part also. Okay, children, so do your exams well. Okay, study well. Thank you.